All right, so using the graphing calculator solver feature, we're going to solve the, we're going to solve the equilibrium problem again, but this time using technology. So with your calculator on, press your math button and scroll down until you see the solver feature, or if you remember where it is, I believe on your calculators it's a 0, isn't it? It's option 0. On this calculator, for some reason, it's not a 0. It's option B for some reason. So since we used the solver yesterday, when you come in, you're probably going to see yesterday's work there. So simply press the up arrow to get back to the equation. Okay, so press the up arrow, and now clear yesterday's equation. And we're now ready to enter an equation, and again, it has to be in the form 0 equals. So we took our equation for Kc and we simply moved Kc, 3.75, to the other side where it becomes minus 3.75, and now we've got to just enter this in and use the solver. The brackets are going to be important, so open a bracket, 0.8. Now the actual significant digits were 0.800, but your calculator is going to treat 0.8 and 0.800 the same way, right? So personally, I don't waste my time on the calculator putting in those zeros. 0.8 plus, and your X button, you remember, is right beside the alpha, the green button. It says xt theta n, so press that for X. Close the brackets. Now you have a squared button over above the log button. It says x squared. Or sometimes you want to raise to the power of a different exponent. You could use this little hat button above the division symbol. So you could say raise to the power of 2 if you want. Okay? Divided by, open another bracket, 0.8 minus x, close bracket. And this time, instead of using the hat symbol, I'll just use the x squared symbol, to the power of 2, minus 3.75. Okay, so that's what you should have, what you should see right now on your calculator screen. Press enter. And you remember how the calculator works. You have to give it a guess right now to get it started to find the answer to our equation. In chemistry, 99.99% of the time, our answers are going to be relatively small positive numbers. So a very good guess that will almost always work is 0. So just say x equals 0, and now tell it to solve the equation. Don't go down and play with the boundaries, okay? Don't go down there and start changing that stuff. The solve feature is right above the enter button, and it's in green, so alpha solve, and the calculator says the answer is 0.255. Okay? So if you think about what we just did a minute ago, you could have set up your Kc expression, written your equation like this, and then simply told me from the TI-84, or whatever you've got, x equals 0.25 molarity, or 0.255 molarity. Okay? All that algebra we did just a minute ago, you could have avoided if you're going to use your graphing calculator. Okay? You still have to finish off the problem, though, and go find the concentrations at equilibrium.